The latest on the Mollywood Me Too, Edavela Babu, one of the accused, he's being questioned by the special investigation team. Well, this, as remember, there are serious charges against him, including of sexual assault. And now the special investigation team getting down to the brass tacks, interrogating all those accused. Remember, in fact, not just sexual assault, but there are serious rape allegations against actor Edavela Babu as well. Let me go across to my colleague Ishika, who has been covering this story very, very closely. So, Ishika, the SIT now getting down to the brass tacks. The task is really cut out for the SIT, given the fact that there have been serious allegations against so many powerful men in the Malayalam film industry.
Well, yes, Vedant, as you rightly mentioned, the task is now cut out for the SIT. We first saw how in fact, they registered all the complaints in the Mollywood Me Too cases, and now one by one, they are calling those Mollywood heavyweights against whom these complaints have been filed for interrogation. Today, Edavela Babu is being questioned by the SIT team, and he's being questioned in Kochi. Now, remember that there were, several grave allegations against him of also, misbehavior and also of rape charges. Now, remember that yesterday also we saw how, in fact, MLA Mukesh, against whom, the case was there, he was interrogated, and after interrogation, he was arrested by the Kerala police. But since he had the anticipatory bail, from the Ernakulam Principal Session Court, he was let off after medical examination. Here also, Edavela Babu already has an anticipatory bail from the Ernakulam Principal Sessions Court, from earlier as well. So certainly, even if he is arrested today, even he will be let off after medical examination. But certainly, we are seeing that one by one, all of these Mollywood heavyweights are being called by the police for interrogation. So trouble certainly mounting for all of them. We'll certainly have to wait and watch in few days as to what conclusion will this investigation of the SIT team reach. Over to you.
Ishika, very quickly before I let you go, the left government has still not come out and in a sense taken accountability, not just for the delay in the release of the Hema committee report, but also as to why its own MLA has not been asked to quit. Where does the left government stand today on this entire controversy?
Well, very important point, Vedant. Yesterday, in fact, when actor Siddique's, his anticipatory bail was dismissed by the Kerala High Court, in that particular court order, the court also, in fact, rebuked the Kerala government for the delay in releasing the Hema committee report. So even the court is, coming down heavily on the Kerala government over the delay of the release of the Hema committee report. Now, yesterday also we saw, as you rightly mentioned, about the CPM MLA Mukesh. Even he was arrested by the police. But remember that in the meeting that was conducted by the party, it was decided not to take his resignation, and they gave various excuses for that, saying that even the Congress MLAs had not resigned earlier, then why should Mukesh do so? And the investigation is already proceeding. But after this, certainly the opposition has amped up its attack against the government and still continues to demand MLA Mukesh's resignation. We are in fact also hearing from the opposition in Kerala that the protests are also going to intensify on the streets of Kerala.